What's up everyone, it's 5:30 right now, heading for my workout. Thought I'd make a quick video. Sun's about to rise. I don't even think you guys can see me, but bear with me. You'll be able to see me in a few minutes. Why your life bloody sucks. I know most people feel this. um, what's happening to you is brain fog, but that's the science of it. As you know, I hate the science of the mind. It's pure bullshit. With the mind you need practicality, and no scientist is gonna figure that out. So what's going on? Why does your life suck so bad? I've heard so many people who tell me that, oh, my life sucks, I'm not enjoying anything, this, that. Like, come on, man. What do you expect is gonna happen if you don't even try improving? You're saying you're trying, but it's not enough. It's not enough. If, listen, if you were trying hard enough, you would feel it. You would feel it. Many people ask me like how I stay consistent. How do I have this mindset like of I can't just not give up? How do I have that mindset? My answer is simple. Like, it takes time. Like 1 year ago, I couldn't have. Like, it's just forcing yourself to move forward. I'm gonna share you a tip, how you could do it faster than I did it, because I was the guy who was learning, and I could tell you the best way that you could do it. So there's a thing that I do. Try listening to this voice in your head. That voice is constantly telling you. That voice could be your mind, your brain, whatever, God, whatever you wanna name it. You can name it. You could name it anything. All right, listen to the voice and ask him. Let's say you wanna watch TV, right? Who Try identify where that desire is coming from. Who's saying that? Who's telling you to watch bloody TV? It's not you. It's your mind. Your mind is your enemy. Your mind is your enemy and your biggest tool. In this context, we're gonna use it as an enemy. Listen to the voice, alright? I want to watch TV, I want to watch TV, I want to watch TV. Tell the voice back, alright, we're not watching TV. We're not watching TV. And there's also a good voice, alright? A good voice is gonna tell you to always not watch TV, not do this, not do that. Do things that are good for you. But guess what? No one listens to that voice because it's harder to do that. In my mind, in my brain, the good voice is much stronger than the bad voice. I'll beat the shit out of the bad voice every single time. And it takes time. The reason you can't hear your good voice right now, it's probably because you've suppressed it for so long. You've suppressed it for years and years and years, months, whatever. You've suppressed it. Like, try listen to that good voice. Like, please, don't do this, Shri, don't do this. I'm telling you. And then you're like, you acknowledge that, and then you're like, ठीक है, नहीं करना है. So how do you get to listen to the voice? How do you get to listen to your good voice and diminish the bad voice? The bad voice is always gonna be there, but it's just gonna be less and less stronger. Let's move on. The key to increasing the noise of that good voice in you is to do things that suck, is to actually try to listen to that guy or girl, whatever. So let's say you're in a position of, alright, you just woke up, you're in bed. Ask yourself, like, okay, what should I do now? If the answer is, oh, check your phone, man, check your phone. No. Ask yourself, what do I want to do now? Listen inside. There's gonna be two voices. First, look for the bad one, and then look for the good one, or vice versa. Alright, I want to check my phone. Check your phone. Check your phone. But then you're like, okay, good Shrey, what do you want to do? And you're like, let's not check the phone right now. Let's take a shower, take this, take that, and then we'll see what to do. Bang. The more you listen to that good voice, the less your life will suck. I'm not saying, so do you understand this? Your life will not be good when you have the money. It'll be good when you have the mind with which you can actually think for yourself. You're in control of some evil force, that bad voice. Need to remove that control every single day. Because the stronger that piece of shit gets, the shittier you'll feel. I'm telling you. One more thing. You want to improve your life, you have to be disappointed with yourself. Not as a way to put yourself down, as a way to acknowledge it and move from it. I say this so many times. If you are not disappointed with yourself, you're not gonna do anything. I am disappointed with myself. For you it may sound crazy. Some of you. I am disappointed with myself. It's a whole new story. So that's what I keep. That's how I keep myself motivated. Right? You can't do this. You can't do this. You can't do this. You're not here. You're not here. That makes me disappointed in myself. Not as a way to put myself down. I know I've come a long way. But then, what next? Like I've come all this. Like, do I rest now? No, shut up. We move forward. Move forward by being disappointed with something that's lacking in us, so we can come out of it and become beasts. Just write down all the things you're disappointed in yourself with. All the things. Let's say your grades weren't good. Write that down. I'm a piece of shit. I'm stupid as Write that down. Write that down, man. That's the only way to come out of it. And listen to the voices. Like and subscribe. And check this out. When you do stuff that sucks, like waking up at 4 just to work out, boom. You see the moon. Look at how beautiful that is. The camera sucks, but for my eyes, that's a reward. That's a hell of a reward, man. Oh my god, that's sick. Wow. And again, you get the whole hill by yourself. No one's here to mess around. No one's here doing anything. That's the beauty of it. I hope you make the right choice.